Q6697. What is the primary purpose of the freewheeling unit? A. It allows the engine to be started without driving the main rotor system. B. It provides disengagement of the engine from the rotor system for autorotation purposes. C. It provides speed reduction between the engine, main rotor system, and tail rotor system. The correct answer is B. It provides disengagement of the engine from the rotor system for autorotation purposes. Autorotation. Autorotation is a flight condition that occurs when the engine power in a helicopter is no longer driving the rotor system. It typically happens in situations where the engine fails or is intentionally shut down. During autorotation, the rotor blades continue to rotate due to the upward flow of air passing through them, generating lift and allowing the helicopter to descend safely. Freewheeling unit. The freewheeling unit plays a crucial role in autorotation by disengaging the engine from the rotor system. When the engine power is reduced or lost, the freewheeling unit allows the rotor blades to rotate freely without transmitting any power from the engine. This disengagement ensures that the engine's failure or shutdown does not impose any resistance on the rotating rotor system. By allowing the rotor blades to rotate freely in autorotation, the freewheeling unit enables the helicopter to maintain rotor RPM, rotations per minute, and provides the necessary lift for a controlled descent. It prevents the rotor system from driving the engine, which could lead to excessive drag and loss of RPM during autorotation. In summary, the primary purpose of the freewheeling unit is to provide disengagement of the engine from the rotor system for autorotation purposes. This mechanism allows the rotor blades to rotate freely, independent of the engine's power, during autorotation, ensuring a safe descent in the event of an engine failure or intentional shutdown. 6698. What is the primary purpose of the clutch? A. It allows the engine to be started without driving the main rotor system. B. It provides disengagement of the engine from the rotor system for autorotation. C. It transmits engine power to the main rotor, tail rotor, generator/alternator, and other accessories. The correct answer is A. A clutch is a mechanical device used in various systems, including helicopters, to engage or disengage power transmission between two rotating components. In the context of a helicopter's rotor system, the clutch serves a specific purpose related to engine starting. 6701. In most helicopters, what is one cause of in-flight medium-frequency vibrations? A. Control system out of rig. B. Improper rigging of tail rotor. C. Defective bearings in main transmission. The correct answer is B. Improper rigging of tail rotor is a common cause of in-flight medium-frequency vibrations in helicopters. The tail rotor is responsible for providing yaw control, and if it is not properly rigged, it can cause the helicopter to vibrate at a frequency of about 100 to 200 Hz. This is because the tail rotor blades are not spinning at the same speed, which creates a harmonic vibration. 6702. A high-frequency vibration that suddenly occurs during flight could be an indication of a defective. A. Transmission. B. Ignition system. C. Freewheeling unit. The correct answer is A. The transmission in an aircraft is responsible for transferring power from the engine to the propeller or rotor system. It consists of various components such as gears, shafts, bearings, and seals. If any of these components become damaged or fail, it can result in abnormal vibrations. When a transmission defect occurs, it can cause imbalances and misalignments in the rotating components, leading to high-frequency vibrations. These vibrations can be felt throughout the aircraft, affecting its stability and potentially causing further damage if not addressed promptly. It is important to identify and address transmission issues as soon as possible to prevent further damage and ensure the safety of the aircraft and its occupants. If a high-frequency vibration suddenly occurs during flight, the pilot should take immediate action to reduce power, if applicable, and initiate a precautionary landing to have the transmission inspected and repaired by qualified maintenance personnel. Proper maintenance and regular inspections of the transmission system are essential to detect and address any potential defects before they lead to significant problems during flight. 6703. A high-frequency vibration in flight would most likely indicate potential trouble with A. The balance of the main rotor blades. B. Worn parts in the main rotor system. C. A piston engine malfunction. The correct answer is C. A high-frequency vibration in flight would most likely indicate potential trouble with a piston engine malfunction. A piston engine is a type of internal combustion engine commonly used in aircraft. It consists of cylinders, pistons, connecting rods, a crankshaft, and various other components. If any of these components become worn, damaged, or malfunctioning, it can lead to vibrations in the engine. A high-frequency vibration in flight can be an indication of an engine-related issue such as misfiring cylinders, uneven combustion, or problems with the engine's rotating components. These issues can disrupt the smooth operation of the engine, resulting in vibrations that can be felt throughout the aircraft. Piston engine malfunctions can have various causes, including spark plug issues, fuel delivery problems, ignition system malfunctions, or problems with the engine's internal components. The vibrations caused by these malfunctions can range in intensity and frequency, depending on the specific problem. It is crucial for pilots to pay close attention to any unusual vibrations during flight, as they can be a warning sign of engine trouble. If a high-frequency vibration occurs, the pilot should reduce power if applicable and proceed with caution. It is recommended to land as soon as possible and have the engine inspected and repaired by qualified maintenance personnel to prevent further damage or potential engine failure. Regular maintenance, inspections, and adherence to proper engine operation procedures are essential to identify and address any potential piston engine malfunctions before they result in serious problems during flight.